Hi friends, welcome back to Physics with Akshay Gole. Today we will solve a beautiful conceptual problem involving dispersion of light. This is one of those questions where your concept matter more than your calculation. So let's see the problem. So the question is, a double convex lens is made up of glass of refractive index 1.55 for violet rays and 1.50 for red rays. If the focal length for violet rays is 20 centimeter, what is the focal length for red rays? And the options are given. Let's understand what the question is really asking. When a red light passes through a lens, it splits due to dispersion. Each color has a different refractive index, so their focal lengths are different. That's why red and violet lights do not focus at the same point. So the refractive index of red light is less than the refractive index of violet light. So the red light bends less than its focal length as its focal length is longer. By using lens maker formula, we can say that 1 upon f is equal to mu minus 1 into bracket 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. This formula tells us that the focal length is depend on the refractive index of a material. For a same lens, 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2 is same. So for violet light, we can say that 1 divided by focal length of violet light is equal to refractive index for violet light minus 1 upon into 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2, and for red light it will become 1 upon fr is equal to refractive index for red light minus 1 into bracket 1 divided by r1 minus r2. Now dividing these two, we get 1 upon fv upon 1 upon fr is equal to refractive index for violet light minus 1 upon refractive index for red light minus 1. So therefore, Fr upon Fv is equal to refractive index for violet light minus 1 upon refractive index for red light minus 1. So putting values, we get Fr upon 20 is equal to 1.55 minus 1 upon 1.50 minus 1, which is equal to 1.1. So therefore, refractive index, so therefore focal length of red light is equal to 22 centimeter. Remember that lens remember that in lens, more bending means shorter the wavelength, and violet bends more than red. So the focal length for the red light is 22 centimeter, and this is our answer. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button given below, like it, share it, and if you have any doubt, please don't forget to write in the comment. Thank you very much. Take care. See you soon.